What's up guys, Dassahmariee here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a hair review on this hair from Saimisu store on Amazon. Thank you so much for sending this to me, you guys. I'm super excited. I just got my package today. I haven't even opened it, so I'm going to go ahead and do an unboxing and review for you guys and get into the hair. Here is the package right here, and what I really love about this company is they give you little gifts and accessories inside the package. So oh, it has a ziplock, so just do this, and I'm going to show you guys how many packages they have. They actually have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 packages, and they do have accessories right here. So I just got all the accessories out of the bag, and it did come with these little accessories for the hair. It came with a crochet needle, the little hook, and it came with hair clips, a purple and a blue one, which I find really cute. I really like this, and that's what I love about this company. The accessories, they give you plenty of hair to install on your head. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the hair to give you guys a better look of how the hair looks. There's one of them. I just opened it, and I'm going to show you guys. Here it looks right here. It is in the color 1. It's jet black. The texture is like locks. You see how long it actually is. It's super long, and the texture is really nice. I really love this. If you guys are looking to get locks, or you don't want to do this on your natural hair, this would be perfect. It's made really well, as you guys can see. And yeah, so it has these little yellow bands across it right here. And it's really easy to install. Like I said, it comes with all the accessories you need. The beads, it comes with the crochet needle to install, everything like that. So if you guys would like more information on this hair, make sure to comment below in the comment box. This hair is the new Faux Locs Crochet hair. It is in 24 inches, and it is made from the synthetic fiber, so it's really good quality hair. If you guys want more information about all the details about this hair, check the description box. All the info will be down there. It is in the color 1B. It comes in 1B, 1 in all different kind of colors, whichever you guys like. And if you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comment box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.